Hey, what's up, guys, man? Back with another video. Today we are going to be doing the 2012 Hyundai Sonata. I dropped it off at the body shop, picked it up last night, and then recorded. A lot of things I wasn't happy with about the whole situation, so I didn't record it. But today, we're pretty much going to just show you guys how it looks now, compared to before. And then I'm going to be taking it to emissions and then posting it for sale. I got to clean it up first, then I'll post it for sale. Currently, right now, I'm at emissions in the Tahoe. I'm doing the emissions in the Tahoe right now, so I can get so we can get our tags put on this. So I'm at the emissions right now. Once I leave the emissions with the Tahoe, we're going to run to the DMV and get the tags put on for the Tahoe, and then after we do the Tahoe, we're going to go pick up the Sonata and bring it to emissions. Then go clean it up and post it for sale. I'll see you guys when I get back to the Sonata and show you guys the Sonata before we even come to emissions. All right, guys, see you in a second, man. All right, guys. I did take the car to emissions. I took it to get it washed. I washed it. I cleaned the inside out. I did everything I needed to do so I could get ready to sell it. I didn't record it all because I had my family with me, and I just wanted to hurry me get it done because it's 102 degrees right now, and it's just noon. So I wanted to just hurry me get it done, man, and just get back home so I can post it for sale. Today is a Saturday, so I'm gonna see how fast it sells. But I'm about to go ahead and show you guys the car. What's up, guys? I just want to interrupt this video, man. Once you guys find a good mechanic, bodywork guy, whatever it is that helping you fix your cars, just continue to go with that person because it's hard finding good mechanics or body shop guys, that do good work for a decent price. Because you get some guys that do, crappy business and, won't top pay. So once you find a good body shop or a good mechanic, stick to them, man. Because it's a headache when you're dealing with guys that just all about the money and not about the quality of the work. It's a headache, man. All right, guys, this is the car. Pretty clean. Nice and clean. I might take it to get an oil change on it. It depends on how I feel, but this is it, guys. I don't know why my camera's zoomed in so far, but I ain't about to worry about it. But this is it. Show you guys the engine, because I did clean the engine real good on it. Show you guys the engine real fast. Dress the engine up real well. Clean up under there. Show you guys the back seat. This don't close because it's basically broken right here. So because it locks in, that don't close. But it's pretty clean on the inside. It's pretty clean. Hair liner not too up. So yeah, guys, this is probably going to be the end of this video. If I sell the car before I upload this video, I'm gonna go ahead and post it in the video. But basically, I just wanted to show you guys how the vehicle looked after being hit. I'm gonna upload pictures of it being hit right here, and you can see that on the quarter panel and the bottom of the doors. That's where the hit was at, on the driver's side. So I got that fixed. That cost me. Turn this air up some. That cost me about $475 to get that fixed. Not too bad. Could have got it done cheaper, but I just wanted to get it done and move on by my way. But yeah, guys, this pretty much it, man. That's about it. Just I cleaned it up real well. Me and my girl, we cleaned it up, and now it's looking real well. It's looking good now. So yeah, guys, that's about it, man. I'll get to y'all in the next video, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're liking these videos, you know, just make sure you subscribe because it's going to help the channel out in the long run. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be uploading more content here real soon, guys. So see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.